Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new releases for Sunday. You're probably going to see this video on Friday if I get this edited in time. So it'll give you a kind of a heads up of what's coming out. And remember, all of my new releases on Sundays are 30% off. So this week in the shop, the new releases and all of the Valentine's Day kits will be 30% off. That way, if you order a Valentine's Day kit on Sunday, I'm going to try to make sure you get it by the week of before the week of Valentine's Day. So in this new release, you're going to have some functional options and 2 kits. Okay, so let's start with the functional. You're going to be able to get the planning script sampler, which comes with these fonts. We have planning time 2 different ways, memory plan 2 different ways, plan next week 2 different ways, organize stickers, and buy new stickers. Okay, so you can get it as a sampler and you can get each script individually if there's one that you like. So these gonna come in 4 foils plus black. So you have the gold option, which you see here. Okay, you're also gonna get the silver option, which you can see here. See if you can see it. Okay, then you're also gonna get hollow, rose gold, or like I said, black. Those are your options for this sampler. Okay, so let's start with the Valentine's Day kit, which is gonna be one of the 3 that are in my shop, and they're all going to be on sale. Okay, in this kit, there has been a few changes, so I'm going to go over those changes to the format. So this is your first page. I'm just going to flip through. This page is a little bit different. So it's arranged a little different, and you used to get 2 sets of patterned washi strips, but you only get 1 now. And then the date dots are a little bit bigger. And then the bottom washi on the side with the sidebar extends all the way to the sidebar now. So in this one, the bottom washi is actually 2 strips. The first strip is the garland, and the second strip says "Be My Valentine." And then the sidebar for this side is actually the heart Valentine's Day candy, which is the same one here that you get as the washi strips. Then you have your icon and script page, your functional page, your check boxes, and scheduling box. Okay, this page is another change. This is the little things page. So you're gonna get more options for headers. You have 7 of the to-dos, 7 of the todays, and then you have a variety of other ones. You have meal plan this week, next week, important to go, chores. Okay, and then you have more options for the little things. I added the payday one, or the you don't have to use it as payday. You can also use the bill pay sticker. It just has a money bag. And then I also added the phone and a weight. Then you also have some washi strips, and then now you're gonna get work labels. So those 2 are really the only pages that changed. Then you have your deco page and your glitter sampler. Just like before, for add-ons, you can get the bow headers. You can also get your glitter headers if you don't get the glitter sampler. And because the little things page used to have these journaling boxes and it doesn't now, you can get it as an add-on if you like those, because I know not everybody likes those. And your freebie for this kit is this very cute, they're just like full boxes, but they're half boxes. So they're your decorated half boxes, and you have 4 of them. And you will get that as a freebie when you order at least the mini kit. You will get that freebie. So that's the first kit, and like I said, all of the Valentine's Day kits, including this one, will be 30% off on Sunday. And the next kit that we have is called Plan With Me, and I absolutely love this kit. It's pink, but it's a little bit darker. I love it. Okay, so We have, just like before, the same 9 boxes, but down here it's a little bit different because you don't have the black outline. Now you have these words which go with the kit: create, inspire, and write. And then you can see that they're also embedded in the full boxes. So you have create, write, and then the cameo says inspire. And I love this script here with the plan with me. Okay. So here is the bottom washi. Again with those words. And then you have your glitter headers, your bow headers, your journaling boxes, and then this kit has the option of these extra full boxes, which are 2 double box scenes. The first is the desk scene with the girl. Now the girl comes in dark skin and light skin, but all of the hair is black for all of the options. And then you have the desk scene, a more extensive desk scene without the girl. Okay, so these 3 kits again will be available in my shop on Sunday. Well, these 2 kits, I'm sorry, and these planning scripts will be available on Sunday. And remember, on Sundays, if you pick it up on Sunday, it's 30% off. You don't need a coupon code or anything. It will be on sale for 30% off, and then all of the Valentine's Day kits will be on sale for 30% off.